Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I guess there's a problem with my my Epic Sex guy intro, so that was pretty sad. Let's see if this could reload. But today we are gonna be becoming a police. I'm pretty sure. Let me go ahead and Yup. You know what time it is.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. That's the sound of the police.
Yep, sound of the police, guys. Let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Sir, you're under arrest for being arrested.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast.
You're gonna die, bro. Yeah, if I ever get caught you getting naked again. Oh, you're naked! Why is there naked dudes? So I hope this could work. Finally! Oh my god, finally. It finally worked. A little. Speeding Godzilla! Speeding Godzilla! Even my jumps are slow motion. Oh. Even my freaking jumps are slow motion. I can't believe that. If this could go faster, that would be delighting. Yes. Why is this taking forever? I'm literally gonna have to go by foot. Are you kidding me? This thing goes so slow. Oh. What? Why? I guess we're in town, so I can just get out of my car. I'll walk the way. Or crawl the way. My family's in the background. What? What is this place? I can get in it. Oh. Edit. My friends. Everyone. Stop editing. So, cancel rent. No, I don't want to cancel my rent. Blank, none. Thin desk. Storage, blank. Don't know what I'm doing. Can disguise your vehicle. Yeah, I know that. So, what do we got here? I don't freaking know. Why is this so laggy? Jailbreak is so laggy, bro. You need to fix that. I'm getting out of this place. Now let's walk out of here like a boss. Or not. Okay, let's walk out of here like a boss.
That's the sound of the police.
Oh, look, there's a police car. Or, that's not a police car. What is that? Okay. We got a man on foot. Okay, let me just get ran over real quick. You know. So this is a police car. Probably never gonna work. Boy, I'm a police. Oh, what is this? Their dog barking. Their dog's barking. So, I just spent all my money on that. Boy, wait for me! Boy! Sucks. Who locks the car? Come on. Well, I guess we're just stuck here. Forever. Why? Let's go ahead and go on foot, guys. That police car is mine. Don't drive away. Come on. don't care if he started a robbery at the donut shop. Then he's fat. That guy can do whatever he wants. Oh my god. Police cars are slightly faster. No, they're not. This car sucks. Actually, no, if I could freaking... I should go get a job at Subway. Foot is way faster now. Well, what was it? Arrest players to receive the cash. Or, you know, you could just shoot them down with a good old gun. Go see this fat dude robbing the donut shop. On foot. I mean, my freaking legs are probably tired. In the Roblox life. There's a guy coming behind me. Or a girl. Well, I guess we're lost. Oh. That just spawned out of nowhere. Die. 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 Just die. Die. Just die. I can just drop my cash? Whoa. Donation. Why do I donate? Why did I just donate? No. I'm holding my money back. Donation. Whoa. And they forgot me. Oh, here's a bank. Is this bank? It's a bank. Boy, do you need any help? I'm going here. Don't know what this place is. What is this place, man? He better not have left me. I swear, if he's gone. Okay, this is my chance. I'll donate a few. Hi. I want to enter passenger. Yes. Thanks, bro. Thanks. No problem. Oh, by the way. You're on my YT video. YT video. He gave me a little smiley face. Oh, I like smiley faces. So let me go ahead and go like this. Go like this. Go like this. Go like this. And send that. Did I send it? Don't know if I sent it. Let me go ahead and say that again. Bro. Oh, send. Now I did it. No. No, wait. No. Okay. You want money? I donate. Get out of car. Okay, I donate. So press buy. Drop cash, drop cash. Drop all my cash. Did you get it? I donate. Oh. Catch up. Catch up. Catch up. I'll shoot his tire. Actually, no, I won't shoot his tire. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. And I'll see you guys next time.
That's the sound of the beat.